Hi everyone, Elvis here and welcome to this video. And today in this video, I'll be talking why your business don't grow and why you see many business or other people around you or around the internet growing and you see that you are not growing and your business are not growing. So one thing that I noticed is that the people that are succeeding in life can be in business or school or everything else, maybe gym, in other parts of their life. They don't share everything that they know to succeed because they understood the thing that is more important if you are business owner, a, a high level student, a bodybuilder or other thing. And the power of everything to boost you to grow and to succeed in any campus of your life is the silence. Yes, uh, silence for business owners is something that they work too much, and many other successful people work in this because they know that if other people don't know the secret, we can tell like this the secret. Not other people will succeed and they will have all the power, all the success for themselves. Let's see an example for a student. A student that have great marks in school many times is the student that studies every day. He doesn't need to go to school every day like the others. He practices at home all the exercises, everything. He do all the research by himself and he go to school only to make the evaluation and pass. But you see that other students go to school every day, but they don't succeed or have great marks because they don't practice everything that they study because they think that they are uh, understand. So one of the things that I see that business owners also know is that, but nowadays many people know that internet is one of the ways to get more clients, and they know that doing a market, having a branding, having a efficient customer support, chatbots, and every integrations that are pumping now, it's something cool. Maybe if you are business owners, you know that you need to make your marketing everything. And the platforms of marketing, the Facebook, it's an example. He has the post bottom, but the bottom doesn't give a clean or a real result because this only shows and put some weak, um, how can I say, weak first gratification for business owners because they see that their posts have been seen by many than 10,000 clients or 10,000 people and has too much likes and comments, but they don't see their revenue grow, and that's why they don't trust their real marketing. So you can see that many people at internet like me are copywriters. We are people who make marketing effective marketing. So if you want, you can DM me. My contact will be here below or in my pages. The name is Elvis Penicela for all the pages. You can reach me out. And we know that only launching one ad doesn't push your business, doesn't make the desire or help you to close more deals or more sales. We built many things such as funnels. We target. We have a avatar. We make too much thing. We create some pixels, some scripts that we add to your site to help you understand your potential clients' behavior before they buy, and then we tailor everything for the future clients to have a better experience and buy maybe in two or three interactions, maybe one. So you can see many videos here online, but I think this is the golden video that I will do and I'm posting here is that you don't know and not everyone will how can I say will expose the truth how to succeed to grow your business. They will only put some content in your mind trying to push a desire. You will try, you will fail, try, fail, and then you will ignore everything and you will be a loser. And yes, in any campus of your life, you can see that the real person that is getting real results doesn't talk too much about this. He prefers to listen more with you who don't know too much and he makes some adjustments in their knowledge, but he knows what he will need to make to get more sales or success in any part of their life. And that's something that you need to know, and I'm sharing here. I hope this video don't get deleted and you see maybe you cannot share this because you think that oh he told me this so I don't need to tell someone else. Yet I will accept this because the humans are like this. We already always live with secrets. And this is the one of my biggest secrets that I'm sharing here for you. And I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. See more videos. You can contact me or join my newsletter. The links will be here at the description. See you next time. Thank you.